On an average, every year we consume about 30 billion plastic toothbrushes. These results in 600 million kilograms of plastic waste produced every year. So, what happens to these plastics? They end up in the landfills, or in the ocean floors, causing massive pollution. Several millions of fishes and marine life get killed because they ingest plastic debris. Are we really doing justice to our nature? We, at DXN, in our approach towards sustainable living, introduce our biodegradable toothbrushes, made from natural bamboo shoots. Our toothbrushes are natural, biodegradable, eco-friendly, and BPA-free. With a sleek and minimalist design, our toothbrushes offer a superior grip. Our bristles are plant-based, made from castor bean oil extracts, and infused of charcoal. Our ultra-soft bristles helps remove stains, giving you a shiny white teeth and a fresh breath every morning. So, switch to a sustainable way of living with DXN, and join hands to save the nature.